Learn to have a relationship nabazalwane. Nabazalwana khuluma nabantwana bendlu ozalwe nabo. Khuluma umuntu ongamazi oqhamuka le nawe uqhamuka le. Learn to have a relationship. Learn it. It's a process. That's all leso sigaba sobona nawo. Angeke kube nento enikakho uvela uqede uwedwa ngesimanga sokuthi you have learned to have a relationship. Sobona nje kuvela something to hayi vela kamama usibani. Hayi bona ukuthi hayi boyidlana ukuthi itheke baba kuningi manje sekuextra hayi angithi have learned. You learn to have a relationship. Uyafunda. Asisasizo manje ihambi nabafokazana kodwa sonke sesingabantwana bakaNkulunkulu sonke sinabantwana bakaNkulunkulu nawe kuthiwa awunayo ubhuti ukhona la already sonayo nakuthiwa awunayo usesi ukhona la already sonayo le ministry leyo ibizwa ukuthi it's helps ministry. Believe nabo sesigabeni sesithathu ekukhuleni kwaso ngokholwa sesigabeni sesithathu selikwazi ukusiza abanye abantu hayi qala ke lona nomndeni wakho hayi nakuthine sasutha siright thina asingeni la selike nje lithi